That was amazing. Okay, I think I was pretty close to being in an Alfred Hitchcock movie during all of that. That was crazy. Okay, that was the craziest, coolest 3 minutes ever. I don't know what kind of birds those were, but it was like a flock of like a million birds just went straight over our house. They looked like a dark blackbird, almost like a grackle. I didn't know they flocked in that kind of numbers. They were very, very noisy. And I just happened to run home today in the middle of my day to let the fiber optic guy into the house. So I had all the doors open so the dogs could come and go and get away from noise. And I heard a drill noise outside, this high, shrill drill noise, but the fiber optic guy was inside. So I was like, who's outside making this noise? So I come out on the deck and I just hear the birds in the distance. And it was so loud, I think it overwhelmed my iPhone built-in microphone. I don't even know how good it captured it. My built-in microphone is kind of messed up right now. Anyway, it makes all this like extra white noise in the background, but I didn't have time to hook up real microphones. So they just kind of slowly like moved and migrated overhead. And what was really cool, and I don't know if the camera picked it up, is like these little cells, these little mini flocks would kind of all leave the tree at the same time. And there were so many and they were so loud. It was like a swooshing noise. The wind noise from their wings moving at the same time made this like real distinct winds swooshing noise. It was like the coolest thing ever. I've never seen that many birds flock over before here in South Carolina. So I don't know. And then they were gone. So I hope the camera picked it up. I just happened to be out here, like, seeing what the noise was with the dogs coming and going. I hope the camera caught, like, a little bit of what it was. I would have had to have 4 cameras going at the same time in every direction to capture all of them. There was no way for me to capture how big a flock that was. So anyway, that was cool.